Aloha, everyone. Rick Kirkham here of InHomeComputerHelp.com. And today I want to show you how to set up a do not disturb so that you can do your Facebook Live videos or whatever type of live video without being disturbed. You can also use this do not disturb to stop getting phone calls after 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock or whatever. So, first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to use this thing here called a pull down menu. That means you take your finger to the top part of your screen and you swipe down. Now, I'm an in-home computer tutor. I've taught both business people and senior citizens. So if this seems very basic to you, I apologize, but I don't want to assume that anyone knows something that they may not know. So low finger, or not low finger, but swipe down and you'll get a menu. And upper right hand corner, I'm going to tap on the gear. That's basically for setup. And now we go into setup. And this is an Android phone. Now on an iPhone, look for, in your apps, look for a picture of a moon. And that's your do not disturb. In my Android phone here, it's a little bit more convoluted to try and find it. So the easiest way, once you get into settings, is just click on search. And as you can see, I've already searched for it. Then tap your finger in search. And if you don't get a keyboard right away, because that gives you your virtual keyboard, and then you type in do not disturb. There it is right there. And you can also see the path. I'm not sure if I can highlight this on this computer here or not. Oh, I can't. Okay, sorry. All right, sorry about that. Anyway, you can also type in, once you get to do not disturb here, just tap on that. And then, obviously you heard that, I didn't tap do not disturb yet. So now when I tap do not disturb, unlike airplane mode, my do not disturb will still give me internet access so I can continue with my live video like I am right now, but I will not get any phone calls or texts because unfortunately they will usually stop your video if you're on Facebook Live, or at the very least you might get a phone call while you're doing Facebook Live, which it doesn't work that way. Now, I've also gone ahead and turned this on as scheduled, and I've got it set Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. My start time is 10 p.m. That's done. And then my end time is 6 a.m. the next day. So I will not get a phone call or a text from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. They'll go to voicemail. I'll still get the text and all that stuff, but I won't get any notifications. I mean, nobody wants to wake up at 2 a.m. here in Honolulu because they get a phone call from somebody on the mainland that's, where it might only be, might be 9 a.m. their time or whatever. So that's how you do it. Do not disturb. And I restarted this one time, and after restarting your phone, at least on the Android, do not disturb does not go away. So even after you restart your phone, make sure, and once again, make sure, let's go back here. And so we're in settings, we did the search, we clicked on do not disturb, and then you're going to have to, so I tapped on do not disturb again, you're going to have to turn that off manually. Restarting your phone will not do the trick. So that's all. A little bit of studying earlier. Sorry about that. I don't use a script, but that's all you need to know. So enjoy your computer, your phones, your Facebook Lives, and by all means, give me a call if you ever need me for anything here on Oahu. Aloha and God bless.